Have you ever sent money to a friend and wondered, when will they actually get this? We've all been there, and in the world of digital payments, a few minutes can feel like an eternity. With so many options, what's the real difference in speed between Zelle, PayPal, and Venmo? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the lightning-fast option, Zelle. Zelle is a network that works directly with your bank. This is key. Because it's integrated into most major banking apps, when you send money, it moves directly from your bank account to the recipient's bank account, often in a matter of minutes. No middleman, no holding period. It's like a direct wire transfer, but with the simplicity of a text message. The catch? Both the sender and recipient need to be enrolled with Zelle through their banks to get that instant transfer speed. Next up, we have Venmo. When you send money with Venmo, it lands in the recipient's Venmo balance almost instantly. So, if they're paying someone else on Venmo or using the Venmo debit card, they can access the funds immediately. But if they want to move that money into their own bank account, they have two options. The standard, free bank transfer takes 1 to 3 business days. Or, for a small fee, typically a little over 1%, you can use their instant transfer feature to get the money in about 30 minutes. And finally, PayPal. Like Venmo, which is actually owned by PayPal, a payment set to a user's PayPal account is usually instant. They can then use that balance to pay for things online. But if they need to get the money into their bank account, the standard transfer is free but can take 3 to 5 business days. Just like Venmo, PayPal also offers an instant transfer option for a fee, which can get the money into a linked bank account in minutes. So, to sum it up, Zelle is your go-to for free, instant, bank-to-bank transfers. Venmo and PayPal offer instant payments between users, but if you need to move that cash into your personal bank account, be prepared to either wait a few days or pay a small fee for speed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.